Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We have two Avis 8345 marine grey padlocks, two restricted plugs, and some extended shackles. Oh, and 23 keys that all have to work these padlocks. Alright, so let's do this. Okay, so there we have it. 23 keys working, 2 padlocks, unrestricted marine grade ABUS A345 padlocks with extended 50mm stainless shackles. Now, this master key system could be better. One of the things I'm finding is that different key machines have been used, and some of the keys are not accurate to code. Being an older system, keys have been added and added and added, and that kind of means that it could have been done a lot better with using a lot less pins. The more keys you have working a lock, the more sort of phantom keys or the less security the lock actually has. So the idea would be to make all the keys work with without putting as many pins in. And you saw how many master pins I had to put in to make these work. So ideally, it could have been done a bit better. It was done over 15 years ago, so it is what it is, and the idea is just to get these padlocks working. And with that amount of keys, they're not a high security lock. They're going to work, they're going to do what they need to do, but ideally it'd be better if less keys were working. You'd have more security in them. And we did use quite a number of master pins to achieve all of this. As you can see from, I left out the first chamber, and on the second one I left out the sixth chamber as well. This is mainly just due to the keys not being accurate. One works better than the other one, but they're both passable, and that was because of leaving out the 6 pin. I mean, I could have left out a lot more pins, but I want to put the pins in there because that's what they're paying for, and we want to put the security in there. So even though we've got a lot of master pins, it's still, you've got to have that right combination of key to work, with the right balance of odd and evens and things along those lines. So yeah, 2 ABUS A345 padlocks. Yeah, feel free to leave your comments down below, and thanks for watching.